There's the screen. And so now we're just hoping for a bullish reaction. We inverse the 1 and the 2, and we also have equal highs there at the devil's mark. So I think that this is a good spot to target for a break even. And then obviously, we'll hold for the highs. We do have an SMT at high a day. But like I said, as long as we're continuing to respect bullish PD rates here, I'm going to remain bullish. But yeah, NFP tomorrow, so nothing too crazy. I am green on the day from the longs. That 3-minute long was pretty textbook. This one here. So if you took that, I thought that was the play of the day. This looks like it's going to be a loss. This should have shot up by now, I think, but we'll see. Hopefully not. New 15-minute candle put in. Probably going to want to go up to the SIBI here that it just created to balance that, which will be our break-even point. Are you taking it or just watching? I'm in this. Yeah. So this was an eval play. Yeah, I'm gonna pass some extra evals on Lucid. Just in case I blow these out. Yeah, we really should have gone by now, I feel like. Probably just gonna be bad PA that stops us out, but I like the equal highs. It's a good eval play if this loses. I just don't think that right now these are good funding conditions, so that's why I'm gonna be on eval today. Like us chopping back and forth like this isn't gonna be high probability conditions. Yeah, just remember, guys, tomorrow's NFP. Tomorrow we're gonna get a really textbook setup during PM if we don't hit the data high or we create some form of liquidity during NFP. Um, so like this I don't really care about messing around in. What do I trade before NFP? I'm just trading an eval today. I don't think that the conditions are good enough to trade a funded. The only way that we could get a funded play is if we like reswept AM low and then get a long. But even then, it wouldn't be that good because the targets aren't really great. We have an SMT at high a day. Oh, tomorrow I'll take funded plays. Is 2 minute delivery here? Yeah. So delivery is all based off this gap to the left. No, no, same time frame delivery doesn't matter. We just need like basically price to be respecting bullish PD rates here and disrespecting bearish ones, which has been what's been happening essentially all day. With this being the last gap in the lake here that we tapped into and got an IO Fed reaction from, and then same thing with this last gap here. on the 2/5 slash, yeah, 5 minute, I guess. But yeah, just remember, guys, today could be bad price action. Like I'm not trading anything serious today. Today reversal was good. Um, if we don't have higher time for delivery, we need an SMR significant for value gap. So if we don't have higher time frame delivery, we need a significant gap to inverse to break, is what that node says. And here, when we get the 3 minute, we have this significant gap breaking here, and we have the SMR put in with the 1 minute where we have the manipulation leg here that gets inverse, creating a CISD, and then we have the breaker here. So there's your SMR. Okay. And if you don't like that one, here's the 30-second SMR here. Manipulation leg coming down. First continuous leg of down close candles running the low. You have your breaker block here, okay, because this is a bearish OB that gets inversed here. Yeah, so this is an SMR. Okay, I'm going to go break even when price hits this high here. Was the 3 minute that big? I didn't think it was too bad. 30 points. I took it with 5 micros. I liked it. I took it for like 1.4 R. Something like that. I took it up to like here. How many of you guys are in this long? I mean, I get on and it's just, I guess it's there. Liquidity sweep here, confirmation setup. 646 is the, no, not 646, 670. Or 669. You didn't include inception gaps on the 3 minute? Oh, did we have an inception gap? We did, yeah. So I was saying this. Well, no, not the lower time frame, just the 3 minute time frame. So that's how I would have that's how I would have done that. Because realistically, like we should not have violated the 1 minute OB we put in here when we got that. So you could have kept your risk tighter once that formed. Now I have no idea what this is doing. If this inverses the 1 minute to the downside, that's horrible price action. And I'll probably just cut the trade for like a 2.5 point loss. We should not violate this. What do I think about the 2 minute long, a goal at 724? Let me see. It's a long on gold, I'll probably like it. Yeah, it's fine. It's a good long. If we re-hit this high, I'm gonna go break even. We shouldn't pull back to our entry if price resweeps this high because, yeah, it just doesn't make sense. I guess the problem right now is the fact that we are respecting some fair value gap to the left. And I'm still of the mindset that if we close below this 1 minute, like cutting this trade isn't a bad idea because why would price put in a fair value gap plus an order block and then violate that when we have no roadblocks to the left and equal highs? In this long, I get in off the 2 minute inverse. I got in at 5.7 here, so I'm in off the retrace a little bit. This 2 minute confirmation setup here before the 15 minute formed. And now I'm just watching this fair value gap that we put in. And yeah, we're just gauging price to see if we're going to continue to respect bullish PDRAs or start disrespecting them. About 1327 confirmation setup. Yeah, that's what we're in off of. We're in off the 2 minute, 1326. On the 2 minute. You could still be in this. It's like still within the entry. I don't know. Yeah. No, it's the exact same idea. I just took the retrace. You just took the market entry, I bet. Am I looking for longs? I'm in a long right now on eval. I'm going to be trading eval this session. I don't think the draws and liquidity here are good enough for funded, but I like the long mechanically. I think this works. We continue to respect bullish order flow here too, so I'm just kind of playing with the bias, playing with the trend. We swept lunch lows, so I'm like targeting lunch highs. 20%, Michael. So in this trade, I'm in with a mini. And I'm going to try and get like, I don't know, maybe 25, 50 points out of it. 50 points would be nice, targeting this high. 713. Yeah, 20%. So like 50K account, 400 bucks. Isn't the higher time frame bearish? I wouldn't say so. I mean, I guess, but like not based off the reaction we're getting. I'd say we're just kind of all over the place in the higher time frame. We still haven't closed through the daily gap either, so we could come up and respect it. But yeah, I think as long as we're respecting this 4 hour inverse, we're still bullish. This just seemed like a retracement. What is my entrance? The 2 minute inverse at 26. I'm in from 657. I'm waiting to go break even. We're starting to generate LRLR here. %20 of the drawdown, Michael. You don't do it based off the full account size. If my drawdown is 2K on a 50K account, then I'm risking 400. Yep. I'm assuming we could inverse after sweeping 590, which was those equal lows. Wait, what? Oh, the equal those to the left. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got you. So yeah, my stop right now is basically at this low. So I've tightened up my risk quite a bit. Because this gap here shouldn't be violated. Yeah, it was good this morning, Speedy. Did you take the longs or did you catch the shorts? This is kind of starting to look like LRLR, maybe. That's what I was marking out, now I remember. There you go. Shorts, nice. Yeah, I caught the longs after the shorts played out. So it looks like I'm probably going to be cutting this trade for a small loss, which is fine. I'll lose probably 4.5 points if this closes below. Okay, close to the tick. So haven't cut the trade yet. All right, more LRLR. Let's see. Are we gonna run it this time? Oh yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go break even now because we hit that high that I wanted, and I am going to hold for TPs at 678, and then lunch highs, I guess. And if it's a break even trade now, it's a break even trade. But my break even set to 5 or 657. So I'm hoping that we don't just stick around here. I'm hoping we get like a little bit more of a move up, especially since we have the macro in 2 minutes. That would be nice. So you just close your position on accident. Oh no. Obviously, you can take profits there. I don't think the risk was that much, but it's only 10 points. So it's going to 704. We will see. I'm hopeful. That is the goal. We are running into this 15-minute gap. We need to see this inverse. You trade on news with Lucid? I don't know. Good question. So yeah, my first scale is going to be for about 20 points if we get it. This is already up like 15 points. If you want to take profit early, because, you know, you don't really have conviction of the trade, that's fine. There's nothing saying that this continues to go up here. We could just reject this gap that we've already rejected once. But I just would like to see price run the high now, since we already took out lunch low. Session liquidity to session liquidity. It's gonna be a break even. Most likely. The macro did not help us, and we're rejecting the 15-minute. But we'll see. I mean, inversing a gap plus an OB is not a good sign at all. Yeah, I just got break even. That sucks. Probably gonna fly now. Well, that's tough. I thought that was a good trade. Oh well. I think maybe the break even saves us here though, because we are rejecting that 15-minute, like I said. And theoretically we could be higher time frame bearish here, so let's pivot. Is this short actually good? This short here on the 1 minute is technically A plus, right? It's obviously break even now, but I guess in hindsight, that was a good trade. Obviously, I was in a long at the moment, so normally I don't like immediately pivot into a short, but yeah, I mean delivery from the 5 and 15-minute singular gap, pretty V shape. So if you were paying attention, you could have taken that short and made money. It's basically the same idea as the long. The only reason why I don't like shorts here as much is because we're continuing to respect this gap. I think if we break this 5-minute gap, I'll be interested in shorts. But until then, I mean, this is bullish order flow all the way, so. No, we're only halfway through Fahrenheit, but a lot of the upcoming packs are garbage. We've gotten through like most of the good ones. So, on that note, I guess we'll do this. But yeah, obviously break even there for the short, and then obviously target this. I should have pivoted quicker into this short. This was a good short. How is this bullish? It's just bullish order flow. It's not necessarily like we're bullish necessarily. We're not in the buy program. We're not putting in the buy side of the curve. But overall, you're going to be in better shape if you're taking longs here than shorts until we violate this 5-minute. A wheel of luck? What do you mean? Oh no, I haven't given away the accounts yet. That'll be given away at the end of the month. If you guys still want to try and get your entries in, all you have to do is review my WAP, be a member of PM, or submit a payout to me during the month of January. So like take a screenshot of your payout and just DM it to me. And that'll get you your 4th entry. Okay. So there's your TP1 for the short. Wow. Look at how easily that short delivered compared to the long. That's actually so annoying. But yeah, that was nice. That just shows you the importance of the macro. Okay? When is price going to run liquidity most effectively? During the first and last 10 minutes of the hour. So right there, we come in at 150, just instantly price drops, right? You can see the difference between timing there. So how many points was that for? That was for 17 points. I mean, that's about how many points we made on the long, but it's fine. So, was anybody able to take profit on that long? Or catch this short right now? I think I know what it is. I kind of just want to guess like last year or something. Okay, blast. Blast in 3 is good. Blast in 3 is really good. You got the short? Nice. Good job. I should have guessed blast second. I don't know why I didn't. Um, I don't know why I guessed double S, but hey, that's fine. Yeah, the short there was really good, guys. Honestly, I'm kind of FOMO right now because I mean, if I'm not stuck in a long there, we're taking that short. Damn. I mean, at least I said it was A plus like here. So I mean, maybe you chased, but where to? I mean, obviously that first TP at 639, but past that this low, and then I'd probably be all out at this low. I'd be out like half here. I wouldn't expect price to run to this low until we inverse this 5 minutes to the left. And then if we inverse it, just you can jump back in if you want on your runner. You'll have a 7 point worse entry, but it'll be higher probability. Final TP. Final TP, like I said, is this low here, 619. Um, and then you wait to re-enter if we inverse the 5 minute. If we inverse the 5 minute, you hold to AM low, and then you final TP there. Bringing 598 to pass. Okay, cool, for sure. Might be a little too far, but I believe in you. So here's what I'll do for this. So we called out this long. Which I said, you could profit take on or whatever it was. In from 5-7 up to that high. Noticing just now these on ES. I mean, yeah, AMD, kind of. This the long took the short. Yeah, that was a great short. Really, really great short. Even the OB there is good because this is a CISD, right? So once that gets put in, you also have your SMR there when the breaker gets put in. So this is an SMR plus IFEG, which is always a very good short. Yeah, and this is AMD too. Accumulate, manipulate, distribute. So really, really, really good short. The 5 equal lows. Oh, true. I didn't even see those well. Why didn't I take it? I was in a long. So I was long here, and then I got break even on the long when we pulled back here, and then the short triggered, and it was already break even by the time that I was out. Like literally, like if you look at this 15-second candle, so this is when I get tagged out of my short, and then price dumped within. I feel like it was like the first 5 seconds of this candle. If we go back to it, yeah. So like I literally had like 10 seconds to get in the short, and I didn't have the opportunity to. I was too slow. It had already hit the break even, but at this point I called it A plus, but the entry was a little low. But yeah, obviously I should have taken it in hindsight. No, we don't need the high inside the fair value gap to the left because we have the 15-minute delivery there. And so like when the high doesn't appear on many other time frames, it's not that important. Do you see how it disappears in the 5 and the 15-minute and even the 3-minute? And even the 2-minute, it's only on the 1. So this isn't a significant point of liquidity. Okay. If it appears on the 5-minute, okay, now we have a conversation. Like this high is important, but only after we run sell side first. Which we did just get an SMT, so if you want a profit take there, that's fine. SMTs have been kind of mattering. 2 o'clock here in 20 seconds. Give me 1 sec. So check this out, guys. I use this cashback app. It's called Rakuten. Okay. I used it for the first time when I was signing up for the Chase Sapphire card because they were giving an extra $300 um in cashback when you signed up for it. So I got 100,000 bonus points for the Sapphire card, and then I got $300 worth of cashback for that. I have no affiliate code with them. I'm just telling you guys a story. Recently, I was trying to buy a KitchenAid mixer for my girlfriend for Christmas, and I noticed when I was buying it that there was a lot of random Rakuten cashback pending notices that showed up in my app. And they'd be like, for $25 cashback, $20 cashback, $18, whatever it is. Are you guys able to hear me? This is a waiting endpoint. Hello? Did I just cut out? It cut out, right? Okay, here, yeah, I'm back now. Okay, let me go back. So there's no affiliate code. I'm just telling you guys a story. So I got this cashback for my Sapphire card. Everything was fine. And then when I'm buying this KitchenAid mixer for my girlfriend for Christmas, I got cashback for that. But what I noticed after I did that was I was starting to get cashback for a lot of purchases that I didn't make. And they were all from KitchenAid. $20 here, $19 here, $12 here, whatever. But the thing is, Rakuten only pays out once a quarter. So I've been waiting to see if it actually is going to turn into real cashback, or if it was just going to be like a glitch and they were going to fix it, and you know, that was going to be that. I'd go on the app today and check, and of the pending cashback, $550 of it turned into real money, and there's still $250 pending. So I got $800 for free. Well, 550 for free, 250 pending, but yeah. Yeah, it's tax free. But I have to wait. I have to wait till February 15th. So I haven't been paid out on it, but we'll see. We'll see if it gets paid out. I'll update you guys with the rest. But right now, this is what it looked like last time when I got paid out. Yeah, it probably is taxable. We don't do that tax stuff. Um, but yeah, if it comes out, this would be pretty crazy because not only is it going to come out, it'll come out as built points, which is like for the built credit card. And if it comes out as built points, I can convert those built points to Hyatt points, which are worth 2 cents per point. So instead of it being $800 cash back, I'll get 80,000 Hyatt points, which is actually equal to $1,600 in value, or like 10 nights at a hotel, which is pretty crazy. So quit trading and just do that? No, 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 no. I think this was just a bug because I haven't gotten any since like December. You bought a KitchenAid for Christmas and got none of that? Nice. Did you get the tilt head? And what color? Black. I got my girlfriend a matte pink one. What about this 1 minute short? You're shorting into an SMT. I don't like it as much anymore. You took out the LRLR that was there on the way down. You took out a bunch of liquidity. This is pretty V-shaped back up. I actually think I prefer the long here because once again, we're still respecting bullish order flow, which is why I said you should profit take on the SMT there. This 3 minute long looks pretty good. Tell me, I don't know if we're talking about the same thing. But no delivery, but the SMT gives us delivery on ES. ES has 1 minute delivery. Oh, the KitchenAid? Oh, true. We are talking about the same thing. Got it. Shh, Fahrenheit. Shh. Just chill out, bro. Scissors, Goosebump, Heathers, Clothespin, Jaywalk, Seesaw, Dovetail, Chill, Crowbar, Airplane, Shiver, Speed, Litter, Tingle, Marsala, Loiter. See, chill, bro. Yes, Tradewell, yeah. I basically just told you guys that story because I was trying to flex the fact that I got $800 for free. Which I don't even need to flex that because we do that stuff on the chart every day. We take money for free for real. So we have this 1 minute here that needs to be respected to remain bullish. What are we thinking? Like this? Yeah. Is it dovetail? Like things with a hinge? What's the last thing with a hinge? Is it airplane? Did you guys ever watch the oh, it's this. Wait, did that say one away again? I'm throwing. We're switching it up. Did you guys ever watch McSkillet? Or not McSkillet, what's his name? McJuggernuggets? Is that his name? Crowbar. Crow J Dove. Crow J Dove. Heathers? Mar? No! How is that not it? Oh, that makes sense. Is it this? No, we guessed this, right? And we guessed this. So what's the last one? Dude, there's no way we go 1 for 4 on the last 4 connections. Help! Help! It's these 3, right? This is like the mechanical motion of these 3 objects. It's like the clothespin, like the scissors, the seesaw, all do that, right? What if it's like this? Dude, wait, what if we are running this trend line? Wait, what if this 1 minute actually is decent? Wait, why are we accelerating? No liquidity sweep though. Honestly, if you want to take this 1 minute, this is a good eval trade too. Not a good funded play. This was probably a better funded play. What is this? Is it this? Should we just send this? Is it this? I don't understand. I don't get it. So there's the short. Probably just going to be a break even. There's the break even. You could wait to go break even at the next low. Okay, there's the real break even. So we got to get lucky here. Can't pop back up. We're good. We're good. We're good. Heathers is a movie. What is Marsala? What if it's like anagram for Earth or like the planets? Like Mars? Like you can make Earth here. I don't know, dude. Dude, I don't know. Like, I'm really thinking crowbar, but like, am I thinking of dovetail right? I guess I wasn't. Maybe it's not dovetail. Maybe it's this. I'll just try this. Yeah, bet, bet. Ooh, close. Starting with candy bars. Oh my God. Mars bar, Dove, Heath, Arrow. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, yeah, this short's gonna print. Hopefully. Hopefully no break even. Probably gonna be a break even. No, it's looking like a liquidity sweep. No. Wait, we're good? We're good? Dude, we are golden on this short. What's the TP? The TP's the low. How did I talk you out of it? I said this was a good play. I said, look at the momentum. I said this is a good eval play. He said this was good. I said the S&T was the only thing that was like holding me back, but then I saw the momentum. I was like, well, this is an easy break even. Okay. Hey, whatever. I mean, hey, PM might actually shape up for a good funded play. Remember how I said, if I was going to take a funded play today, it was going to be. By the way, look at that. We inversed the 5 minute. You could have even taken the 5 minute short there. Dang. So yeah, this short really is about to work. If we get through this last 1 minute, this is it's gonna take us down to 569. If we get down to 569, we might just dump through that and head towards this low. If we get to this low, then we could see like nice longs, right? There's got to be like a daily gap there or something. 4 hour. Yeah, kind of a 4 hour right around there. This don't look like a trend line to the downside. Interesting. Hey Lobster, I'll let you take over. I got you next stream. Next stream is all you. If you wanna take over tomorrow, don't you worry, man. That's all you. ES took lunch lows. Great. So did NQ, I suppose. We put an equal lows there. Oh wow. That is a bullish candle. Looks like it's gonna be a break even. So what are we pulling back for right now? There's an unfilled 3 minute gap right at the entry. Damn. That would be tough. Also, if we hold this 1 minute PPR, then we're probably not bearish, which we held to the tick. And that's an indicator alert. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Nah, Lobster, I get it. Hey, but if anyone wants to come up here sometime, I mean, if you got ideas, if you remember that one time we did that thing with Jay Clutch where I had him come up on stage and we like backtested together, like I'd be down to do more stuff like that. You know, I want to get to know more of you. And if you guys want to like, you know, come up on stage whenever, it's always nice to have somebody else to talk to. So break even on the rest for that trade, which honestly, if you didn't TP there, that's fine. I mean, there wasn't really a good liquidity sweep. So we now have a confirmation setup short here, which because of the equal lows, I actually don't hate either. What about this 3 minute long now? Yeah, they aren't good equal lows. You're absolutely right. Wow, this 3 minute long is so V-shape. We're just doing the same thing, ponging back and forth. 3/4/5. Wow, this 3 minute looks good. It's gonna close in a minute here. I mean, if you want to wait for the 5, go for it. But I think the 3 minute looks the best. Another really good eval trade if you want to take it. Make sure we close above the 1 also. That would be really good. Yeah, we're going to do it. All right. I'm in off the 3 minute there. Try and target the same place I did before. Hopefully we get there. Now, this is not as good as the first long we took because we already took out our major draw and technically we've been bearish. So like this could very easily fail. We could respect the 5. Honestly, not an alert, but it's a little too late for me to say that, so I guess it's an alert. But like low key, if you don't want to get in and you were waiting, you know, that's understandable too. Like the short here could still be valid. I just liked how V-shaped it was. The higher probability setup is waiting for everything to inverse, 2 minute, 3 minute, everything included. And especially based off this reaction, I don't have high hopes. And we also got an SMT at the high. Like that was, ugh. Ugh, like I said, eval trades today only. Faded. Okay, that was a good fade. That's fine. We did have delivery though, just so you know. If you faded it because there was no delivery, there was this, the BPR. So jump into the pool. True. But for the wrong reason. Sick alert. Yeah, I know. Honestly, if this gives me an opportunity to get out, I might. But if it just straight pumps now, like that would be cool. I do trade boy. I actually do. Our neighborhood has a community pool. I've never used it, but well, this might be cooked. Actually, this is 100% cooked. Okay, sounds good, trade boy. Yeah, exactly, Metacog, exactly. Well, I got wrecked on that. Rip. Wait, it's not over yet. We held it. Even though I'm pretty sure it's still gonna fail. Oh yeah, no, 100%. This PA is horrible. Like I said, eval will make today. I mean, I guess it's still holding. I don't know. This is gonna fail. Why am I coping? We didn't even disrespect the 2, the 5, like horrible reaction. That was such a bad trade. Ugh. Whatever. Literally just a pattern trade. Alright. Well, guys, you know what time it is. Do we reverse position and make our money back now? On the 2-minute short? I think so. I think so. Alright, well, there's the 2-minute short. We'll just watch it, I guess. Things could get pretty nasty now here. If I was in this 2-minute short, I would go break even at this low here at 618. Even though it's super close. You just don't want to risk. Price rejecting this 1 minute and heading higher. All right, next 15-minute, next 5-minute candle here in just a moment. Dude, look at the 15-minute. My goodness. I am gonna fix these accounts in this 2 minute. I can feel it. It's gonna happen. I'm short now? Nah, not really. Nah, I'm not really alerting anything unless we get to the low, but yeah. I'm not gonna say nothing, but yeah, I'm trying something stupid. I'm doing a dodgy, yeah. I'm actually feeling like dodgy right now. That one day when he came in here and blew up like 9 accounts, I feel like that could be what's happening to me right now. Dodgy joined PM the other day and bought like a bunch of Tradeify straight to fundeds and was just full porting them, and like lost like 5 accounts on stream. It was actually really funny. Yeah, yeah. I don't remember when it was, but it was like last week or something. Yeah. All right. 2:30. Have I met Dodgy IRL? I have not. All right, 2:30. Make or break time. Ooh, it's break time. It is break time. Well, how's the short doing? No bueno. Did I sue Vert yet? Oh, nah. What? Why would I sue Vert? No. Did the 3 minute ever actually fail? Yeah, it did. Okay. Well, I don't even think he trades IPGs anymore. That's funny. Dodgers playing the Open? Interesting. Well, It's cooked. Stopped out of the short there. Time to reverse position again. We see if the long can save us. Oh, nice, EJ. Yeah, maybe I should switch to that too. Clearly, IPGs aren't working out. Up almost 100 points today just from being low and selling high. Huh. Nice Fahrenheit. Yeah, I do the opposite. I sell low, buy high. Are we like forming like buy side liquidity maybe? Wow, what a day. Well, guys, there goes 5 Lucid accounts. GG. I'm not taking shots at anyone directly, but isn't it crazy to try to make your own? Why didn't you full port them on the 3 minute this morning? Oh, I didn't have them. I literally bought them before the session. I just blew them on 4 trades. I haven't blown my Lucid Fundeds. I want to have backups because these are down to like 750 drawdown. How do I size right now? Well, on the evals, I'm sizing no, 500 per trade, and on the funded, I'm sizing 250. And I'm just waiting for OSFL on Friday, and if that loses, then I'll just full port the last trade. Well, price action sucks. I guess we respected the 5 minute gap there again. Probably not a good sign. So maybe we're still bearish. Like maybe order flow is just bearish here. But I don't know. We're caught in like no man's land. I really don't know what order flow is. You know what time it is? It's bandle time. I had my little blow up. I just blew up $400. I'm goaded. This short doesn't seem horrible, but there was no liquidity sweep, so it's not great. I know. But here's the thing, Fahrenheit. One of those breakouts from the chop will pay for every single loss. It just didn't happen within the 4 trades. I mean, obviously size too heavy, but I don't really care. I'm trying to pass these and just have reserves. And I know that these aren't good funding conditions, so I don't know. He said it takes too long for an A plus setup. Dude, that's so funny. But also copy trade my evals. Yeah, yeah. Why can't I pass into tomorrow with the eval pass strat? Because on what I was trying to do today is I was trying to get half of it done today and then pass it on the eval strat tomorrow because Lucid is 50% consistency on eval. So yeah, it just it didn't happen. I was trying to get them up 1500 today, and I don't know. I got break even on this long, and then I missed the short, and then I tried to. What did I try and do? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Is it 50% consistency per trader for the day? For the day. But yeah, we got the song, so that's good. Um, what do I recommend for a beginner to do? So if you're a beginner trading with an eval, I would only be risking at most 10% of the drawdown per trade, and I would just be trading it like a funded. If you're like, if you don't care about your evals and you're just trying to get them passed, then what I would do is if there are no consistency evals, pass them on eval passing, and if they are consistency, like what I like to do is I like to risk 20 to 25% of the account per trade. It's usually a mini, but yeah, that's about it. Did I just click on the one hit wonders? We don't want to do that. Lucid moved my profit target further. Why would they do that? Yeah, probably because of consistency. So you made too much on one day. You should just make the extra profit that you need tomorrow. Yeah. So if you want, you can try losing a little today. Like if you lose like $150, but sometimes that could have the counterintuitive effect. And honestly, you're not too far away, so I would probably just leave it. Next time, just be aware of the $1,500 profit limit. What's what consistency? Lucid 50% unfunded, so you can't make more than 50%. Meaning like okay, your profit target's 3K, you just can't make more than 1,500. I don't know this one. REM? This is 91. Oh, it is? Wait, what am I thinking of? What's the one with Speedwagon? Been on the moon? No. There you go. Dude, this short is printing, bro. Yeah, this is horrible for fundeds. This is so bad. Hey, at least we recognized that as soon as we got on the day, though. That was really easy. Carlos, you just missed it. I just blew up 5 evals. Trading this. Yep. Dude, I knew it was bad price conditions and I still pressed the button, man. I am an idiot. Oh well. What is this? Wait, who is that you sent me? I don't know which one. How would you fix your consistency now? So there's two ways you could do it. You either make the extra profit that you need, meaning tomorrow you come in and you make $600 or whatever it is you need to pass, or you lose a little bit of money today. But genuinely, trying to lose money is more difficult than just making the extra profit you need. So I would just wait for that. In Bloom? Nope. Yeah, exactly, Barris. You just need like an extra 150 bucks, right? This sounds pretty recognizable how it kind of builds into it. Metallica at 91, really? Like what? I was thinking like maybe Seek and Destroy, but what song is that? But piano plus strings? I don't think Metallica has strings. Oh, nice, Barris. Okay. Not Cashmere. Dude, what is that? It kind of sounds like Zeppelin, but none of these songs really stand out to me. You think it's Guns? Living. Oh, it is that song. Oh my god, dude. What are we doing? that was that was gettable. That was low key gettable. This could be Nirvana, right? Oh, Cranberries. That's what it is. If you, it's Linger, right? Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, that is what that is. Good job. Nope. Yeah, Foo Fighters, it's Everlong. Bro, come on. Yeah. Dude, we could have gotten that off the drums, bro. This song is insane on the drums. Dude, that's Everlong, bro. How did we not get that? Damn. Well, I had to wait for the bass. Is this if you just go ahead now? What is that song? Spin Doctors? Two Sisters? Wait, Two Princesses? Or Two Princes? Yeah. Wait, how did I get that off of like 3 seconds into the song off just the drums? Bro, I might be him. Oh, this is that one Justin Timberlake song, right? In Sync or whatever. No, no, no. What a girl. It's What a Girl Wants, right? What's it called? What a girl wants, what a girl needs. Who sings that? Who sings that song? Ariel. Dude, it's that song. What? Christina Aguilera. Thank you. Thank you. That's what it actually is. What is it? Beautiful? It's this one? No. No. It's not that one. What do we think about the 2 minute? I think everything here is garbage. Oh, what is that? What is that? Who sings this song, guys? Come on. No, not Eminem. Not Eminem. It's like it's like a Beyonce or a Mariah Carey or something like that. I just Destiny's Child. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Is it? No, it's not Survivor. Is it Bill's? Bro, what is it? Is it this one? Oh my God. Jesus. Is this like Rascal Flats? No, right? I thought it was this. You think you too? Okay. I have no idea. 98 250. Dude, of course this long's gonna work now. Because it's the macro time. Oh my God, dude. The only time that we ever saw price expand was during the macro. Just pay attention to that, guys. Like so key. I know what it is. No, I was wrong. Madonna? Bet. 93 274. Oh, this is Nirvana for sure. This is Wait, right? What is it? What's the name of the song? It's Nirvana, right? Which one? It's the one where they scream in the chorus. Is it? Let me figure it out. I gotta look it up. So I'm not feeling on this. Not screams, but they scream the lyrics. Oh, maybe not. I'm just gonna go this one. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it's I just don't know the name of the song. Heart shaped. Thanks. Oh well. This kind of sounds like nothing really stands out to me from these songs though. Yeah. Imagine taking that 2 minute and getting wrecked by equal highs. Wow, that's horrible. Never mind. The macro sold, literally. So pay attention to this gap. When this gap breaks, we'll go to low a day. And maybe I'll revenge trade a long there unfunded. By the way, I said I was sticking to my rules yesterday. Already failed after 1 day. Maybe I need to start doing the rules calendar challenge. Maybe I need to lock back in. I do want to be transparent with you guys, though, of course. You know, I have my moments. I don't want you guys to think that it's all sunshine and roses over here. No, I blow evals. My eval pass rate's like 50%. It just means I'll pass the next set. Because I do that dumb shit. I mean, it sounds recognizable, but I have no idea. 7/60ths of a minute. Bro, that's horrible. That was the... Could this be Chili Peppers? This kind of sounds like it. Kind of like Give It Away. No. Dude, if I heard this song just randomly, like just the stems, like I think it's Chili Peppers. Like with that bass too, even. I have no idea. Is this like um some like Chemical Romance or something? They're not that this early, right? No. I do not know. Hail. Hail. Are we sure? I think it could be really funny if it was. It's not. I have no idea. See, the 90s is where I get messed up because I don't know any music from the 90s. Just the Chili Peppers and Christina Aguilera and a little bit of Nirvana. This is Oasis? Oh, that's why. Yeah, bro, we don't do that Oasis stuff. Champagne Supernova? Or does it live forever? Which one? Wow. Interesting. Dude, what am I supposed to teach in this price action other than to not trade it and be like me? Equal highs and equal lows now. It's just like yesterday. No. Which one? He got a movie made about him. But it's funny because I don't think anyone in America knows who Robbie Williams is. This is what I think this song could be. Tell me if I'm wrong. Well, that's not right. Bruh, I was right. I mean, dude, I had it on the drums. What am I doing? I'm a fake fan. I mean, 1.7 billion is probably Nirvana, right? I know the song. I just have to think for a sec. Yeah, it's Zombie. Thank you. Yeah, bro. Come on. So what? Is this gonna work now? This is Loca. Oh wow, it was. My mom's celebrity crush was Ricky Martin, and then he turned out to be gay. That's really funny. Ooh, what is this? Have we inversed that 5 yet? Okay, so pay attention to this 5 minute. When this 5 minute breaks, that's when we're gonna move to the upside. So we're stuck between the 5 and the 1. So there's just no point in trading in between. The fact that that was just really stupid. I just wasted $400 for no reason this afternoon. That was really stupid. All right, 5 minute breaks in 30 seconds. Yeah, I have the cash back on now. Bro, what is this? I feel like it's like this is gonna sound crazy, but I don't think it is, right? This can't be Tina Turner, right? Yeah. Bro, what is that strings at the end, dude? Bro, what is this? This is like last of the 80s disco era. Why not? It's the other one. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That's bad. So there's the 5 minute inverse. If this fails now after inversing, I have no words. Like if we hit this low first. Daft Punk? Is it that time yet? No. Isn't there a 5 minute just above the 5 minute that hasn't been broken? Yes. Wait, no. No, there's not, because this is the new swing. So no, we're good. You see what I mean? Like, yes, this gap to the left here that hasn't been broken, but it doesn't matter until we hit this high. Because we're focusing right now on this dealing range. So from this high to this low. While we're inside this dealing range, everything outside of it is external. So internal, external, and then external. Nope. I don't know. beam of glow. Ray of sunshine or something? Ray of light? Yeah, bro. I don't know. I've never heard of that song. Like, okay, we have to remember Foo Fighters. We have to remember Linkin Park. Like, could this be Linkin Park? Yeah, I mean, obviously with the scratch, but it doesn't really sound like anything by Linkin Park that I know. It could be Limp Bizkit. Gonna check that. No. The guess is it doesn't matter. We just eliminate what stuff could be, you know, because we're not gonna get it on that first one. Which one? What am I looking? What am I doing here? The Jonas Brothers? This is not the Jonas Brothers. Why am I being trolled? It's not. It's not Linkin Park either. I don't know. Ow. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay, dude. Like I said, there's no way this loses after the 5 minute inverses. What is that? That was pretty iconic. Bro, what is that? I know that drum line. Yeah, I'd go break even on the 5 there. Damn, if I would have just waited, man. For one side to break, that was free money. What is this, dude? I can't think of it. Is it Blink? And then I would scale it this high. Wow. The 5 minute just printed. Oh, shut up. Right? That's... No? You don't think so? Are you sure it's the wrong year? It's whatever that one song by that girl. Maybe it's Kelly? Is that right? Kelly Clarkson? No. No. Dude, I don't know. No. Oh my god, am I really thinking Victorious, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, two songs back was Ray of Light. Yeah. We missed the TP. It's gonna come back to the break even. That's so stupid. I don't know. Anything. I've never heard this song before. Famous person's flesh. Celebrity skin. Bro, what? I've never heard that song. Yeah, I don't know. What up, Jason? Nice going, L. Nice. This one? Yeah. There's TP1 for the 5 minute. And then TP2 would be PM high. And then last TP would be 714. Congrats, Jason. Big congrats, man. Hey, you can use that as an extra entry for your for the giveaway that I'm doing. If you send me a screenshot of the payout. Yeah, so you get 3 entries. One if you're in PM, two if you review, or yeah, two more if you review my WAP, so three. And then if you submit a payout in the month of January, you get a fourth entry. minute continuation long if we get it. Maybe. This MJ? Like, they don't care about us, I think? No. So that sounded pretty crazy. Is this like Van Halen or something? No, right? I don't know. Bells. What? Is it too late for them? Dude, why is my browser running so slow right now? Do you guys see that? I'm your lady? Is that what it is? Bro, y'all got it all wrong. Holy shit, why is my browser running so slow? Celine Dion. Is it my power of love? Okay. I have to refresh. It's like loading so slow. Top wrong guesses on step one. People thought it was I Miss You. Danny California. Teenage Dirtbag. And then everyone just guessed the wrong Chili Pepper song. That's funny. I didn't know you could do that. Nostalgic tunes? Let's see what that is. 70s. 190. I'm over it. All right. what else there is for us today. I mean, this is probably just going to continue to chop around. I'm probably just going to end it here. There's not too many people asking questions or talking. And yeah, I need to go lick my wounds from the L's today. So I will catch y'all tomorrow, I think. Unless somebody has anything else they want to add. I'm hoping things can turn around here, but it's just PM hasn't been great. We haven't been left many draws to target. It's just been this kind of grinding, manipulation. And it is pre-NFP, so I mean, what can you expect, All right. Catch y'all later. Peace.